Mixing and conveying process adopts dust-free feeding to ensure raw material hygiene and safety and on-site cleanliness. The intelligent control system automatically distributes auxiliary materials with water and material. Hopper-type conveying saves floor space. Parameters required for powder cooking and ripening are directly input into the cooking and extruding control system, which automatically controls the ripening power, achieving an excellent rate of primary ripening above 80 to 83 degrees. Automatic spreading, cutting, and hanging machine can intelligently control the rheological properties of extruded noodles, achieving stable variation in the thickness of rice noodles. Automatic sorting and rod feeding equipment feeds rice noodles into the aging box in an orderly manner, ensuring work safety and reducing labor intensity. Aging system parameters are set with one key, automatically controlling temperature, humidity, and speed frequency, effectively ensuring aging quality.